Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardusttlv and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this really cute purse. It's a new release and I can't wait to open it. And it comes in this box. And I just saw this online, guys. It was just delivered today and it came with this cute bag and this box. And let us open it together. Any guesses, guys? So this is called a Rush Bumbag from the Men's collection. And Rush Bumbag has been, the design has been with Louis Vuitton, I think last year. But this is the first time that they did it in Monogram. It is so beautiful, guys. Oh my God. When I saw this online, I'm like, it reminds me of my old original bum bag that really looks like this, and it's very popular. I sold that bum bag as I'm not reaching for it, but this one is smaller and the strap is bigger. It is in treated vachetta, and as you can see, it is like honey color patina, and you don't have to really worry if you will be caught in the rain or with water stains, as this is already in colored patina or honey colored patina. What I like about the men's collection is the zipper is thick and big, and this has a weight, guys. As soon as I saw the Monogram version, it's really love at first sight. And this is the tag that goes with it, and it's called Rush Bumbag. If you open it, inside has this dark brown lining, and it's thick. I think this is thicker than the original bum bag. And here it says made in Italy. Let me take the lining out, guys, so you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So this is made of thick material and it is durable. Let's close this. And then this one is also in dark brown lining. It has a nice shape to it, and it's big enough to fit our essentials. Like, this is what it looks like up close. The difference is at the back there's no zipper here for our phones, and I wonder if our phone will gonna fit in front, but let's find out. Let's admire the beauty of this thick strap. And here it says Louis Vuitton etched in here. You can really feel the substantial canvas on this bag. It seems like this is well thought of. It's made well, and it has a thick feel to it, but it's light. So this is it, guys. Let's join this strap together and see how will it look on. I really love the thick strap of this bum bag. So this is it, guys. When you put it on, it has a similar vibe compared to the original bum bag. I really love this top handle, as when you remove it, pull it up like so. And here is what it looks like at the side. It is so pretty, guys. You won't think that this is really from men's collection, as the shape is just right for a woman's body. And let's see if let's see what it fits. So this is the iPhone Pro Max, and looks like it fits. Yeah, it looks you know, it looks like it cannot fit a Pro Max, but it did fit an iPhone Pro Max here. Oh, I'm happy, guys, that we can put our phones here in the small compartment here. And currently I'm using this Speedy 20, and let's see if it fits in here. What I have in here will fit. So this is my new card holder, which is called the Flora card holder. Put it here. This is what it looks like. And then I have my sunglasses. And this is the Celine sunglasses. And I'll put it here. And I have a hand sanitizer, a lipstick, an AirPod. I'll put it here inside. And I think that's it. So it fits everything. I can close it. If you're gonna look what it looks like inside, it looks like this. I love it. I really love it, guys. This is a nice honey colored treated leather, and I really love it. I find the original bum bag like big for my frame. That's why I haven't really reached for it till finally I just sold it. But this one is just right. I also like this thick strap that when you put it on, it will just like hug to your body like so. It doesn't really look like it's protruding much, as this one is smaller. I think this is just the right size. It fits everything, and the cell phone can fit in here, which is nice. What do you think of this, guys? Again, this is called the Rush Bumbag. Please stay tuned for the mud shots. I'll try to wear this standing up, and I am 5'4" in height. And again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just throw it in the comments down below and let me know what you think of this cute new release Rush Bumbag in Monogram. Well, stay safe, everyone. Please hit like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Please stay tuned for the mud shots. Bye.